We're gonna cut the top off.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna eat some donuts. Actually, only Gixxer Brah is eating donuts. And yeah. That thing's quiet. Oh wait, it's because it's not going yet. Ooh. It's gonna explode. Oh, that was great. I was thinking it was gonna like explode into a ball of fire.
Let me add a little air to it, and that'll make it.
Yeah.
Look at all the fire in there's like flammable. It's all sparking.
Yeah. That thing empty, dude. Oh my god.
See ya. You need to party. Yeah.
Choo.
Huh? It's too long. Go. Oh my god, he's perfect. Oh my god.
Okay, we got the pipe welded in and then a hole in it, so it's not super loud.
The bottoms are obviously not welded.
Yeah, the bottoms aren't welded.
And then there's a hole, so it's basically the same as mine was.
So it's a perfect hole. So yeah, now we're gonna weld the top on. Oh, minty, dude.
Ooh.
You can do it.
Are you ready? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Why is it smoking so much? Oh yeah.